South Korea just committed $576 billion to chips and AI, and that number should make every other country nervous. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Monday, July 6, 2026. In tech news today, South Korea just dropped one of the biggest AI bets in history. A $576 billion investment plan targeting semiconductors, AI chips, and data centers. Samsung and SK Hynix are spearheading the push, building brand new chip hubs in the country's southwest. This isn't a roadmap or a wish list. It's backed by corporate commitments and a $28 billion NASDAQ listing. The geopolitical race for AI infrastructure just got a whole lot more intense. Also from Nvidia, the company just made it significantly easier for AI startups to get their hands on serious GPU power. Through the expanded Nvidia Inception program, startups can now access compute credits without buying chips outright. That's a meaningful shift. Instead of needing millions in hardware budget up front, early-stage teams can build and scale their models on Nvidia infrastructure from day one. It's Nvidia cementing itself not just as a chip maker, but as the backbone of the entire AI startup ecosystem. In AI research news, a sweeping study from Ramp across 22,000 U.S. firms just flipped the AI kills jobs narrative on its head. Companies that went all in on AI didn't slash their white-collar headcount. They grew it by 10% over 2 years following adoption. The key detail? That growth was entirely driven by high-intensity adopters. Low-level AI users saw no meaningful change either way. More AI investment appears to create more jobs, not fewer. That's a finding worth sitting with. Also from Meta, the company quietly dropped a new app called Pocket, and it's genuinely interesting. Point your phone at a text prompt, and Pocket generates a small, interactive game or app. No coding, no dev experience needed. Meta isn't making a big noise about this launch, but the concept is significant. Generative AI game creation in your pocket, available to anyone. If this catches on, it could open up game development to an entirely new wave of creators who never wrote a line of code. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about South Korea's $576 billion AI infrastructure gamble in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.